If you're a teenager or just someone looking for the cheapest way to start making money online right now, then you're in the right place because I'm going to show you the 4 best ways I have found to make money online as a complete beginner that don't require any money to get started. This first way to make money online is perfect for beginners and teenagers because it requires absolutely no capital upfront to get started. And as a bonus, you can do this literally from anywhere in the world. It's called print on demand, or POD for short. Now, POD allows you to sell things like t-shirts or phone cases or pants or mugs or hats, all of these things with designs on them that you made. But what makes POD so interesting is that the designs are only printed on the t-shirt or the hat or whatever after someone has ordered the item from you. That means that you don't need to create and store a bunch of these different products, like a lot of these t-shirts or whatever. You only have to print them on demand as orders come in from the customers. This makes it much cheaper and easier for you to get set up and selling custom products. And it allows you to offer a huge variety of different designs without having to keep everything in stock. Now, the easiest way to get started with this is by using what's called Amazon Merch on Demand. So you can head over to merch.amazon.com in order to get signed up for this. Now, the cool thing about this program is that all you have to do with this is upload your designs and set up your products, your product listings, I should say. Amazon then takes care of all of the rest. So if someone actually comes and orders one of these products, Amazon is going to print it and they are going to ship it to the customer. So it's completely hands-off for you after you actually upload the designs. So here are some examples that I found. So this is a t-shirt that says, "Admit it, life would be boring without me." A very simple and plain t-shirt. As you see, it is part of Amazon's Merch on Demand program. And this has over 2,400 ratings. So you know that this probably has somewhere at least 10,000 orders that have come through for this one t-shirt. So all this seller did is they created this design once, they uploaded it, and it is sold about 10,000 times already, just on repeat, with Amazon printing it and shipping it to the customers for them. Here's another one. Again, not too complicated, but a little bit more complicated because it has this T-Rex. And this is also part of the Amazon Merch on Demand program with over 4,500 ratings. Here's another one that has 1,700. And here's a final one right here I found that says, "I'm not bossy, I just know what you should be doing," with over 1,100 ratings. Now, if you're anything like me and you have absolutely no artistic abilities at all, that's okay, because a lot of these popular designs, as I've shown you, are literally just words on a t-shirt. So you don't have to design anything. And if you wanted to go the route where you're actually uploading some images or some designs like this one right here, you can use AI art generators like Midjourney to actually do this for you, which makes it really perfect for any beginner or teenager looking to make money online. Now, this second way to make money online that I want to talk about is one that I have a lot of experience with. In fact, combined, my students and I have done 8 figures worth of sales with this online business. And as you're going to see, pretty much any beginner can get started with it. It's called eBay dropshipping. Now, eBay dropshipping is where a seller, such as you're going to list and sell products on eBay, but these are products that you don't actually own. It's kind of similar to print on demand, but instead we're still selling physical products that aren't custom. So what we're doing is we're selling the products on eBay, and then we are purchasing the product from a third-party supplier or retailer like Amazon, who will then ship the products directly to the buyers on eBay. So the seller here, you and I, we're basically acting as middlemen. We're earning a profit on the difference between the price that the customer paid on eBay and how much we're paying for it on Amazon. And because you don't have to buy any inventory up front, you don't really need any money to get started with this. And you can also do this one anywhere in the world. So let me show you how this works. So here's a product that's for sale on eBay. It's this salad lunch container. You can see what it looks like right here. And this exact same item is being sold on Amazon for less money. So what's going to happen is a customer is going to come here. You see this one has already sold 9 times. So 9 people have come here. They've purchased this item. During the checkout process, they say, hey, this is where I want the item shipped to. This is my shipping address. Then all this seller did was they went ahead and purchased the item from Amazon. And during the checkout process, Amazon says, hey, where do you want to ship this to? Well, they're not going to ship it to themselves. They enter in the address that was given to them by eBay. So the item is sent directly to the eBay customer. So this means that you can really do this without investing all the money up front into buying a ton of these and having them in your house. Amazon is now doing the fulfillment for you, and you get to keep the difference in price between how much you bought it for on Amazon and how much the customer paid on eBay. Now, if you want to be successful with eBay dropshipping, the only skill you really need to concentrate on is product research. This means finding products like this, the ones that people actually want to purchase. And in my opinion, the best way to do that is to actually spy on other dropshippers that are already doing that. So to help me with that, I have a software that I use called Zeek. This is it right here. And when you log in, when you create an account and you log in, there's a lot that it can do to help you find products. But I want to highlight one of the features right now that I absolutely love, and that's here right on the dashboard. It's called the Trending Dropshippers section. You see that right here? This actually shows you other dropshippers on eBay that are already successfully doing this. So you can see like this seller has done $25,000 in sales in the past month. This one has done 32, this one has done 44. And the cool thing is that you can scan any of these seller stores. So if I click right here, this is going to scan their store. It usually just takes a couple of seconds. And down here, we can see all of the products that they're selling. So for instance, this right here, whatever these incense sticks are, these have sold 33 times in the past month. So what's great about Zeek is that it will actually sort it for us, showing us the most popular products at the top. We have this wallet that has sold 31 times in the past month, this stretchy belt that has sold 28 times in the past month. So now what you can do is you can go over to your supplier's website. So let's say I want to use AliExpress, for instance, as an example. I can come over here and we can look for these exact same products or similar ones. It doesn't have to be the exact same one. So I can search in here for stretchy belt, for instance, and we can find stretchy belt for men. And we can find something that's very similar to this one right here and go ahead and sell that one. So this is very, very similar. It has a very similar look. So I can go ahead and list this item into my eBay store. And I know it's probably going to sell because other dropshippers are successfully selling that. And I'm able to see that directly on Zeek. Now, one of the reasons eBay dropshipping works so well is because it allows you to offer a wide range of products without having to invest in the inventory up front. It's really a great side hustle for beginners who are looking to get started with their first online business. And while it does have its challenges, if you know what they are and how to deal with them, you can do quite well with eBay dropshipping, as I showed you before from my students' results. Now, if you want to learn more about how to get started with eBay dropshipping and you want a guide to kind of help you with this, I put one together for you. This is my eBay Dropshipping Secrets ebook. This is completely free for you. And inside of it, there's actually a link to Zeek, which allows you to try it for just $1. So definitely get this free ebook. It's the first link in the description down below. Like I said, it is completely for free. The third way to make money online that's really perfect for beginners and teenagers who don't have a lot of money up front to invest in a business is something called affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of people believe that affiliate marketing is dead and doesn't really work anymore, but that's just because they're doing it the old way that doesn't work. But there is a new way to do affiliate marketing that actually does work. So let me show you how that works. Now, if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, this is when you get paid to refer people to a product. So basically you tell someone like, hey, I have this really cool product I bought recently. It's this massage gun and I absolutely love it. If you want one too, you can buy it by using my affiliate link. If someone clicks on that link, they'll be taken directly to the product's website where they can then buy it. And if they do buy it after clicking your link, you'll get a small commission for referring that customer. That's actually how I purchased this item. I saw someone who was reviewing this. I thought it was a good review. I liked the product. I clicked on it. I bought it. And because of that, the person who did that review now gets a small commission because I used their link, and it didn't cost me anything extra to use that link. Now, the simplest way to get started with this is by using something called Amazon Associates. This is part of Amazon's program that allows you to refer products to other customers. And you can get signed up for this for free by going to affiliate-program.amazon.com and getting set up right here. Now, once you have an account, you can go to any product on Amazon and get a special link to it. And if you give someone that link, that is your affiliate link. Now, the trick with this is to get people to actually click on your links and to actually find your links. And that usually requires you to make some sort of social media content. But that doesn't mean you need some sort of big audience. So if you have a product you like this one, you can just post on Facebook and say, hey, I've been using this massage gun. I really love it. Here's my affiliate link if you want to use it as well. Or if one of your friends comes over and they use this and they say, oh my gosh, I really like this. Where did you get this? You can send them your affiliate link. It's really as simple as that. If you want to scale it up though, you do want to go a little bit bigger. But like I said, this doesn't mean that you need some sort of big audience. Let me show you some examples of what I mean. I came over here to YouTube and I did some searching for fitness trackers. I found this channel right here that only has 3,000 subscribers. And yet this video where they review different fitness trackers has over 15,000 views. And I'm willing to bet that before this video came out, they had a lot less than 3,000 subscribers. So what happens is that this relatively small channel posted these reviews. People came over here, watched this video, and in the description of this video are links to all of these products. These are Amazon links. These are actually Amazon associate links. So if I were to click on this and actually buy one of these products, this YouTuber would actually make a small commission. Here's another one right here. This person actually posted a video about their reaction to using those colorblind glasses for the first time. This person only has 1,000 subscribers. And again, I think before this video came out, they probably had no subscribers. And this video still got 2.5 million views. And in the description of this video is an affiliate link for the colorblind glasses. So this relatively unknown person posted this video and still managed to get 2.5 million views, and people are now clicking on their affiliate link and they're making money from this. And here's another one right here. This YouTuber only has 1.5 thousand subscribers, and this video has 11,000 views. This is also for smartwatches as well, and you can see that there are affiliate links inside the description of this video. So you don't need a huge audience to do this. You can literally just post a video today that's only 3 minutes long, like this person did right here, and you'd be able to start making affiliate commissions from this. And a lot of these videos, people don't even show their face ever. So this is really great for beginners. This is really great for people in college or for teenagers that are looking to make some extra money online relatively simply. The final way that I have for you to make money online as a teenager or a complete beginner is what I call the online gig economy. Now, you've probably heard of the gig economy already. These are things like Uber, DoorDash, Uber Eats, things like that. The problem with those is that you usually need a car to get started with them, and you have to pay for gas and the wear and tear on your car. But there is actually an online gig economy that requires no money to get started, and you don't need a car for it either. And this is where you actually do projects for people on demand. The best website to do this on is Fiverr. So if you come over here to fiverr.com, you can see what types of projects people pay for here. If you know how to do these different projects, or you're willing to learn how to do them, you can make money from home, from your computer, really anywhere in the world, and you can do this on demand, and you don't have to pay anything to get started with it. So things like you can design invitations for people. So people will say, hey, I need an invitation design for my wedding. You can design that for them. You can do product photography, where they'll actually send you the product and you can take photos of it if you're good at photography. If you're good at rendering interior design, you can do that here. You can help people create branding for their brand or their website, like different logos. If you know how to design NFTs, you can do bottle labels. A lot of these skills are actually very similar. So if you learn one of them, it can easily be transferred to other ones as well. A lot of the more expensive ones on here include things like video editing, if you're good at that. You can also offer thumbnails, you can offer app designs. There's so many different choices on here of different projects that you can do for people, and you can do this at your own pace whenever you have time to do it. And again, you don't have to pay very much to get started with this. A lot of these skills you can learn for free by going onto YouTube and searching for how to get started with this. So there you go. Those are 4 different ways that you can start making money online as a teenager or as a complete beginner this year. As a reminder, if you want that free ebook that I mentioned before, my eBay Dropshipping Secrets ebook, make sure to click the first link in the description down below. Then if you like this video, I'm sure you're gonna love this one right here, where I show you how to find the best products to dropship onto eBay. So make sure to click on this, and I'll see you there in just 1 second.